Dear PU2 aspirants, so your midterm exams are there, and in this video I'm just going to share you how you can get 60 plus out of 70 in your chemistry examination. And trust me, it is very simple if you follow this strategy. So let's please watch this complete video. I'll tell you if you have not prepared anything, also how you can get. If you have also prepared something, how to channelize your preparation now. Okay, so let's see what we have in today's video. So first of all, know your syllabus. Okay, I'll discuss the syllabus that you have. Smart syllabus completion, how to complete your syllabus smartly but effectively. Next, how to do practice for questions, and then how to do rapid revision, crack the paper pattern. So what is exactly the midterm pattern, how many questions you need to attempt, and then also I have some answer writing tips. And the most important thing, don't panic. There is something smart rescue plan for all of you. So please wait till the end if you have not prepared anything till now. So first of all, if you know the syllabus that we have received is actually this one. Okay, so this weightage that I have given is the final exam weightage, not the midterm weightage. So we have 6 chapters, 2 from physical, 2 from inorganic, and 2 from organic. Solutions and electrochemistry, DNF block, coordination, haloalkanes and alcohols. Now coming to how to complete the syllabus. So basically, to complete the syllabus you need NCERT books, right? You need to revise your concept from the NCERT books. But what happens, there is some smart plan that is there for all of you if you want to complete the syllabus faster. What is that? Just watch the one-shot videos and then make one-page summary so that you can revise quickly before the exams. Now here's the big question arises, ma'am, how to watch the one shot, where to watch the one shot. So there where we can help you, we have our Diksha Karnataka channel. I hope all of you know about that. So there we have made the one shot videos for all the chapters. You can see just these are 30-40 minutes videos. Some chapters which are important are of 1 hour. You can just watch it in 1.5x and then complete the syllabus and make a one-page summary note out of these lectures. Okay, you don't have to read book and everything. Whatever is important is covered in these one-shot videos. Now let's go to the next important thing, that is practicing of questions. Okay, so what are the good resources from where you can do question practice? First is the NCERT examples and in-text questions. Second is your PYQs. This you can get from Jibit book. Next you have PU2 question bank. Okay, so these are some of the most important resources that is required to do question practice. But do you have enough time to follow these many resources? No ma'am. If you have, then definitely go for this. But if you don't have, we have some solution for you also. You can see that I have made the most important questions from all the chapters, they consolidated, and these questions have been collected from all these resources. They are from the examples, in text questions, PYQs, as well as from your PU2 question bank. Even also I have included the sample question papers of last year. So if you have done with the chapter, just want to do proper practice of questions and you are confused about from where you can do refer to these videos. And if you join our WhatsApp channel, the PDF is also available. So from here you can revise the questions very easily. Okay, and there is one more thing. So you see chapter wise these are questions are there. Now if you don't have time at all, okay, to watch each of them videos separately, you want one video where all the questions, all the important questions have been covered. For that also we have a solution. You can see this video which is showing you PYQs plus important questions, PU2 score 60 plus. Now where will you find this video in our channel? If you go to our channel and go to live section, okay, live I have conducted this question, so you can just forward it and you can watch it in 1.5x and you can get a list of all the important questions that is there in this particular whole midterm syllabus. Okay, so with this, what we have done, we have completed the syllabus fast. Now we have got one video, it's just 2 hours 40 minutes video, and that since it is a live, if you cut it will be hardly around 2 hours. So in 2 hours you can practice all the questions, right? So now question practice is done. Next is to crack the paper. So what is the exam pattern we will be having? So this is based on the 2024 half yearly paper of which region? Bangalore South region. Okay, so the paper has For section A, there will be 20 questions and you have to attempt all the 20 questions. In here, there will be 15 MCQs and 5 fill in the blanks, and you will get 20 marks here. Next, coming section B, there will be 5 questions, but you have to attempt any 3 out of that, okay? And each question carries 2 marks, so 3 into 2, you will get 6 marks in section B. Now, coming to section C has, so this is question number 1. And in section C, there are actually 2 sets of question. I think this is question number 4 and 5, okay? Or 4 or 5 or 3 and 4, it might be like that. So in this 5 questions you will get from inorganic chemistry, okay? Out inorganic chemistry 2 chapters, 5 questions you will get. You have to attempt 3 of that. So each question carries 3 marks, so you will get 9 marks here. Now the second one where 4 questions will be there, these are also 3 marker questions, but from the physical chemistry portion, okay? So here you will get 4 questions, you have to attempt 2, each question carries 3 marks, so here also you will get 6 marks, okay? Now coming to the last section D, so this is completely for organic, okay? And here you will get 6 questions, out of which you have to attempt any 4. Each organic question carries 5 marks, so 4 into 5, 20 marks you will get here. Lastly, you will have a numerical section, okay? So this is again physical chemistry, but numerical. So you have 2 chapters, so 3 numericals from each chapter you will get, and out of this 6 you have to attempt any 3. Each question carries 3 marks, so 3 into 3, 9. So this comes out to be total of 70 marks, okay? So let me just repeat. This is your 5 questions, that is 2 marker, okay? 5 marker you will get inorganic, 4 marker physical, all the 5 marker questions will be organic, and then you will have physical numerical questions here. So 70 marks is this paper pattern. Now, how to write the answers in the exam? This is very important, because how much ever you study, if you don't present your answers properly, then definitely you will not be able to get good marks. So there are some important rules that you need to follow while writing the answer. First is write section A. Okay, it is mandatory. Always start with section A, irrespective of whether you know the answer or not. Start with section A. If you do not know any answer, leave some space there. And while writing section A, you have to write the option number as well as the answer. So for example, answer is A, Fe2 plus. Okay, so like this you have to write the answer. And remember, in section A, only the first attempted answer will be calculated. So for example, if you have written this is question number 3, you cut this and then you write B, suppose scandium 3 plus, suppose this is option number B, then this will not be evaluated. Always the only one answer will be the first one which you have written will be corrected. So that is why whatever, if you are very sure about section A, then only go for that. Otherwise, leave some space. At the end, you can attempt it after finalizing the answer. Next is of one section. So I have shown you there are 5 sections. So all the sections answers should be in one place. Next, extra questions at the end. So I have seen that because section, if you are not sure of any question, you can attempt extra questions, and for that you will get marks also. But make sure that you attempt this extra questions at the end, okay? Because if you attempt from the before, there might be a time crisis for all of you. So make sure that after you have attempted all the questions, put a heading extra questions and then go section wise and then attempt extra questions, okay? Only attempt extra questions for those sections where you are not sure of the answer. You might think that I am not very confident about that answer. So then in that case, you can attempt. Next is for name reactions, always write the definition and one example. For numerical, first you should write the given values, then formula, then do the correct substitution and then calculation. So formula, substitution, calculation carries 3 marks, okay? And when your final answers is there, do not forget to mention the units here. Next, underline the keywords for every answer, and if you are drawing any diagram, use pencil and level them. Where are the diagrams we can do? The d orbital splitting for tetrahedral and octahedral. There you will require diagrams, so do it in pencil and mark it properly. Next, mechanisms. Whenever you write in organic chemistry, there will be mechanism. So always use correct arrows where you should put the arrow mark. That be very careful. And mention the steps with heading. For example, SN1 reaction. What is step 1? So you have to mention step 1 is formation of carbocation. Then what is step 2? Attack of nucleophile, right? So like this you should mention that. The steps name should also be mentioned and underline it. Okay, so this is the basic answer writing tips. Now coming to the next one, yes, as I told you, if you have not studied anything and now you are very scared or you don't have an idea where to start from, you don't have to worry. The next video that will be coming up in this channel will be a passing package. Okay, it consists of all the important questions, and altogether 60 questions somewhere will be there. So just take that video and remember or learn each and every answer, and then I can guarantee you can definitely score better with that video. Okay, so just wait for that. If you have not prepared anything, don't panic, just act smartly now. Okay, so that's all in this video, my dear children. So thank you so much, and I hope that you will be doing well in your midterm exams, and all the best. If you have any doubt, put down in the comment section.